These little tufts of hair here, these are scent glands of a sort that identify that buck. And just a side note, if you cut these off and put them in a bag and freeze them and save them, that's basically that's like a lure. There's hormones in these things that the other bucks can smell, and if you take this to another hunting area where this buck is unfamiliar, the other bucks in the area will smell this buck, and they can tell from the hormones in it how big the buck is, if he's mating age, and if they smell a foreign buck in their land, they are going to come and try to fight that guy. This guy's actually been in some fights. I can see some scrapes on where he's been fighting. So he's a buck that has been fighting with other bucks. So that is one of the best lures you can get. Cut these off, save them, just put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. And then when you go hunting, take them out and hang them up. Take both. I like to hang them up about 100 yards apart, about 6 feet off the ground, in trees, upwind from where the deer are going to come from normally, and just let them hang there for a few hours. But I've had big bucks come in less than an hour after hanging these things up, and when they come in, they'll be mad. The real dangerous thing is don't carry them on your person, because there have been people that have tried that and actually been attacked by an enraged big buck that thought, all he could see was fire because he was smelling, he was smelling another buck in his territory.